Ancient machines that should not have existed, forgotten technology of the ancient world. Machines out of place. In the ruins of ancient civilizations, archaeologists have uncovered devices that seem strangely out of time. Machines with gears, calculations, and precision that should not have existed in their era. They were not myths. They were not legends. They were real, documented, and deeply misunderstood. How advanced was ancient technology? Really? When history does not fit. Modern history often presents technological progress as a straight line, simple tools evolving slowly into complex machines. Yet, archaeology tells a more complicated story. Across different cultures and centuries, devices appear that challenge assumptions about what ancient societies could design, calculate, and construct. These machines were not widespread. They were rare, specialized, and often forgotten. But they existed. The Antikythera mechanism. In 1901, divers discovered a shipwreck near the Greek island of Antikythera. Among the artifacts was a corroded lump of bronze that would later shock historians. The Antikythera mechanism is now recognized as the world's oldest known analog computer. Dating to around 100 BCE, it used a complex system of interlocking gears to predict solar and lunar eclipses, planetary positions, the astronomical cycles. Its mechanical sophistication would not be matched again for over 1,000 years. This device proves that advanced mechanical engineering existed briefly in the ancient world. Roman machines and industrial scale. The Romans were master engineers. They built water-powered mills, cranes, pumps, and automated systems that rivaled early industrial technology. In parts of the Roman Empire, entire milling complexes processed grain using water wheels, feeding thousands daily. Roman construction cranes used compound pulleys and tread wheels capable of lifting stones weighing several tons. These machines were efficient, repeatable, and based on precise engineering principles. They were not experimental curiosities. They were infrastructure, ancient automata, and programmable devices. In the Hellenistic world, engineers designed self-operating machines, water clocks that measured time automatically, doors that opened when fires were lit on altars, statues that moved using air pressure and steam. These inventions, described by ancient engineers like Hero of Alexandria, relied on pneumatics, hydraulics, controlled mechanical sequences. In essence, they were early programmable systems. They were not toys. They were demonstrations of applied physics. Knowledge lost, not destroyed. Why did these machines not lead to an industrial revolution? The answer lies not in capability, but in context. Ancient societies relied heavily on manual labor, lacked mass production incentives, transmitted knowledge through apprenticeship, not printing. When empires fell, technical knowledge often vanished with them. Machines were not rediscovered, they were forgotten. What remains unexplained? Despite extensive research, gaps remain. Some gear ratios in the Antikythera mechanism imply astronomical knowledge still being studied. Some ancient descriptions reference machines no longer found. We know these devices existed. We understand how many worked, but we do not know how widespread such knowledge truly was. A different view of the past. Ancient machines that seem impossible are not evidence of lost civilizations or forbidden technology. They are evidence of something more human. Ingenuity is not linear. Knowledge can advance and disappear. If this exploration changed how you see the ancient world, consider liking this video and subscribing to Interesting MindHub. More documentaries await, each one revealing how much of the past still speaks to the present.